guys, welcome to my channel Just Go with Amreen. We are on a 2-week exciting trip to explore Romania. And those who have not seen my previous vlogs of Romania, I'll link it above for you guys. Today we have a 14-hour overnight train. Before that we have an hour-long train from Mangalia to Constanta, and from Constanta we're going to Timisoara. So that's a very long journey. I'll see you guys there. Cheers!
So we are here at the Mangalia train station. It was barely 18 minutes from Vama Veke. It's always a good idea when you get to the train station, go to the information, show your ticket and ask where the train's gonna be, because we were standing at a platform which we thought is where the train is gonna be. Luckily we found out no, it's not. We have to go to another platform and the train's already there. And we're pretty early, we're an hour early, so which gives us ample time to find a spot, put our bags, relax, chill and get something to eat, get coffee, etc. So here I am, really early. Nobody's here yet. Since we are so early, I'm looking for my seat. We are on 31, 33, and that's the water I just bought from the platform outside. And here we are. Oh, my husband's already kept everything inside. How efficient is he? That's our stuff there. Yeah, we're traveling with really big bags, and that's our seats. And ta-da! That's us.
So here we are in our room. We're sharing with 4 more people and they're already asleep. Catch you in the morning. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. I'm still whispering because it's really early and everybody's still asleep. Sorry, I can't really give you a proper tour of our room that we were staying, but you can see how this looks. It's pretty much a mess right now because obviously everybody has been sleeping all night. There are 3 beds on either side and we're sharing it with 4 more people. That's my husband asleep there. See you later.
Good morning, travelers. We are still in the train. We boarded about 9:45 last night, and I can't say we slept well, I think, but we got some sleep. We get to Timisoara in about 20 minutes, so we're just gonna take our bags out. So welcome to Timisoara. We are very late. We were supposed to be here at 10:04. We have arrived at 10:50. Anyway, nevertheless, we don't know if our room is even ready. We're heading to our accommodation. It's only 5-minute drive from the station.
So the cab just dropped us a few hundred meters away from our accommodation, as we are staying at the Union Square, which is a walking square. No form of transportation is allowed inside it, and we are living right in the center of that, which makes the center of Timisoara pretty much accessible to us on foot, which is pretty cool.
Hey, so we've just checked into our room in Timisoara, but before I go ahead and freshen up and change the way I look, I just want to give you those 5 tips that I realized that I should share with you to make your overnight train journeys slightly more better and peaceful. So I'll just quickly share that with you. So firstly, I would suggest you should always carry a toilet roll. You never know when you may need it. They may or may not have it in stock. They may run out of it. So that's one. Another thing I would suggest is that carry a small hand towel with you just to freshen up in the morning. Another thing you should probably carry with you is facial wet wipes and a moisturizer, of course. Another thing that I did not use, by the way, last night, that's why I'm scratching so much, is to have a mosquito/insect repellent. You never know what creatures are flying around in the place you are sleeping. So it's best to carry one of those, otherwise you'll be scratching like me. And last but not the least, when you have such a long journey, you need to carry some water and some food with you. So yeah, that will make your life a lot easier and the journey a lot smoother. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So just water and maybe some snacks, tissue, facial wipes, hand towel, insect and mosquito repellent, and some face moisturizer. That should be good to go.
So these were some of my tips to make the overnight train journey a little bit smoother. If you guys have any tips, please write them in the comment section. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming vlogs. Cheers!